it going? I'm Chantel, and I'm with Celebrate the Hero. We hope you were successful with last week's mission and got the chance to donate to a charity or organization of your choice. This week's mission is to recognize a professional. So let's take a minute to see some of the professionals in your community that you could recognize. These people do so much for us on a daily basis. Let's recognize them for all that they do. Show your appreciation by acknowledging the work that they have done. You can get involved by volunteering your time or baking for them. However, it can be as simple as letting them know that they're doing a good job. We encourage you to do anything you can think of that recognizes a helping service this week. Thanks for watching, heroes. Have a great week and good luck. Celebrate you and celebrate the hero.